Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone. I'm just taking a small break because I recently got a new job, so my schedule is kind of different. I work during the week, but I have weekends off, and I'm going to start managing where I do my crafting and stuff on the weekends, but it's just going to take me a bit to kind of get used to the new schedule. So I just wanted to do this quick video because, as you guys know, I participated in the embellishment box YouTube hop, and I held a giveaway for the embellishment box that I made. So I'm making this short quick video to announce the winner. Thank you guys so much for entering, and always the amount of support that I get from you guys. I love you guys so much, and I promise I'll be back full force once I start getting my life together. But the winner of the giveaway is Crafting with Barbie D.A. Congrats, girly. So when you see this, if you see it soon, hopefully, leave me your info down below. I have my email, well, email me actually. I have my email address down below. Shoot me an email with your info so that I can ship out your prize as soon as possible. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for all the love on my video. Thank you so much for all the love constantly. I promise I'll be back with tutorials, with a bunch of stuff. I just need to get my life in order and get my new schedule in order, and I promise I'll be right back with you guys. And yeah, that's it for the video, and I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.